Today's recipe is gonna be pretty short, as there's no cooking involved because we have our first cold soup of the series. So I'll try to talk as fast as I can. Little disclaimer before the recipe, I did not like this soup. This is the first soup of 16 I made so far that I'm almost certain I'll never make again. I had all the goodwill and I was eager to try. On paper it had potential and I tried to make it as traditional as possible. Searched a lot of recipes to find this one, but in the end maybe it's just not for me. As you'll see, it's really easy to make, so I challenge you to do it and I hope you have different experience than me. The dish combination of garlic, almonds and bread is believed to have originated with Romans, who were known to use similar ingredients in their meal. After, the recipe got heavily influenced by culinary traditions of the Moors, who brought the concept of cold soups to Spain. They also introduced the combination of nuts, spices and fruits like grapes into Iberian cuisine. Start by putting the middle of old rustic bread cut into cubes into container and soak them in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then pour everything in high-speed mixer, but if you don't have it, stick mixer will do just fine. Water, garlic, add blanched raw almonds, cherry vinegar and olive oil. Press the button and you're pro chef. Blend it for a few minutes until consistency is something like this. Although it's gonna be a bit thicker down as the particle settles on the bottom. Before serving, it's necessary to cool it in fridge for at least 2 hours, but it's best to do it overnight. Serve with grapes and a bit of olive oil on top. And that's all. I hope you enjoy it more than I did. I would love to hear in the comments.